You're not a Gyalis. You're actually a customer.
Friar, look a blood clot girl. And I be tell her say you name Denti. And I you sing roll deep. You know what? Shenseea? I like a free, I like a nasty girl. Like production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and lioness. I hope all is blessing as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth and the health is your wealth. So we're going to take care of it. Yes man, big up on yourself, anyone in the Zine. Yes man, you don't know what I love in the lion for another vlog. I was give thanks for their rising. Yes man, let Jah rise and all his enemies be scattered. Yes man. All wicked and evil shall be battered and flattered. Yeah man. So I don't know how much I will give thanks to life. And the viewers and subscribers in this episode here. I don't know.
Do you need to like, do you want to
You see me, this I come from the cleaners, you know. Future white like bright. You see me? Where go on?
That's style from Gyalis food. That's you can't fit it. My name, let's talk.
Yes, you like the style Gyalis shoot?
But where you get it from?
No, it's an inspiration man.
No man, it's a lyrics we go something like and not
This one there, the truth.
Yeah.
Baby Wayne, you know Baby Wayne?
No, we don't want to know him, a crackhead. We're not even crackhead.
See, a troublemaker, you know. Sorry about that, my people. You see, man, I try to style Baby Wayne, you see me? Yeah, man. R.I.P. Baby Wayne, I don't know. The man say, I'm like the freestyle when I do it, you see me? You see, a whole lot of people that watch Lion Foot, you know. And then like, yeah, the truth. Girl, them attack, say them tired for shoot. You see me? They ain't going on the dance, look sexy and cute. Definitely I forgot to turn that in a song, you know. The songs now play for them wine pan a youth. The thing dilute, are the truth, are the fact, and no fiction, a fact. Girl, you see me? Yeah! Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So anyway, big up Foota Hype. Foota Hype make a solid speech. I'm just going to feature it on the channel, you see me? Yes, man. Man, that's a morning, sir. They have vlog for you know my style. So, outside, huh? Yeah, big up the family coronation and anything you want to come here, so Riley, you see me? But anyway, yeah, man, big up Foota Hype, man. Foota make a speech and I say, yo, some boys say them a girl. Any man who have to give girl money, to sleep with them or if you get them, you're not a Gyalis. You see me? So, here Foota Hype, I say.
Public service announcement to all of the man them out there. If you have to spend money to get a girl, meaning if you have to use money to get her, you're not a Gyalis. You're actually a customer. See? Woman feel like you for who you is and not how much you spend. If it all depends on how much you spend, that means she do a business. You a spend, she give you something. You understand? If she naturally like you and you naturally like her and then you spend money on her, take her out, buy her things, you win. But anyhow, it's only basically because of where you spend. Make sure you get the time of the day I look upon you. You're only a customer, my friend. Get with the program. Costy.
Yes, man. Big up yourself, Foota. Real talk, real talk. Some boys say them a Gyalis, but them don't have a clue. When them buck up on a hot girl, they don't know what to say or do. Yeah, man. That's a song that made the ride on the Red Bull and Guinness with him. Here's that, so you know. See me? Man a Gyalis from birth. A long time I take off your blouse and skirt. When them dehydrated and me quench them thirst. Over me, them a fight and a curse. You see me? Yes, man, so. Some man will say them a Gyalis. And I look at a girl and them have to use money and car and then think they have to impress her, to get her. You see me? They're not real Gyalis. I just money I use and bribe. And woman them want you, they want you for your things. See? So big up Foota, I have to agree with him on that. You see me? When you like a girl, you draw down on her and get her to lyrics and, you know? I say, yeah, ropes, you know, say, and things start work and you see, say, she work with you and get to know her and she get to know you. And then relationship start and you know everybody live good and happy and you start bring her out and date and you know what I mean, dinner and fly, you know, holidays and them things there. Yeah, you know, say relation, proper relationship. That's how come on.
I give it.
Good. Proper relationship, you see me? But when you have some girl, you now answer your call unless you give them money and money them a talk about. And then you start, she give the nookie. When you don't have the money, she not get nothing. Nothing not run. You see me? And you say, I get, no sir. Natural love with someone, naturality. Big up yourself, Foota art. So I say, next my viewers and subscribers, a video you big up King Mix Up. I scroll through and see this on King Mix Up page. I say, boy, King Mix Up a beat Shenseea, you know. Why am I? But Bobby Shmurda, this is how them have Shenseea in the industry. What if I comments me see over there, you know? Good and bad, you see me? So here we go on.
Shenseea, she not freaky nothing. Nah,
Shenseea?
I like a freak, I like a nasty girl. I'm like, freaky girl, I don't girl, let me low. Freaky girl, I don't bad man. Freaky girl, I don't. Let me hold on, one thing. Hold on, Shenseea freak. Hold on, she's different type of freaky though. She came in sweet.
So yes, man, the man say, yo. Freaky girl, I don't girl, let me low. Freaky. Wow, we are telling my viewers and subscribers. Yo, Shenseea. Well, Shenseea set a reputation. When I big up Shenseea, say, me respect her, you know, as an artist and as a person. But sometimes, fame and hype, when you want fame and hype, you do anything or you go through certain things or say anything and get caught up certain way, you know. So Shenseea did recently make up speech I said about rare and them business. I never did cover that still, is it? But yeah. Each to their own, you know that me have to say. Each to their own. You see me, and big up Shenseea same way. And the Shag Gang them, you see me? You don't know, we just put the thing them out there and update and you know what I mean? Yes man, so as I say, big up Shenseea and people in my bash her, she sell her soul for a long time and this and that and she industry run around and mattress and all of them sitting there. You see me? So I don't know my viewers and subscribers. So I like to put in another vlog. You see me when I boss now. Oh yeah! Yo! Me see Prettidon a beat Tentic. I'm good piece of that video there. Prettidon a beat Tentic, say Tentic a look at a woman. So like them not see that one party in New York and Tentic must draw down upon a woman and say, yo, bring him Tentic, you know. Like a good look piece, so what you go on?
I know I'm not gonna talk to him to get this off all my chest though. See you boy Tentic. See you. Let me tell you this little bitch. No how you ramping, you're like an artist boy. Come in catching you like a blood clot ear where you have this. You hear me I tell you boy? Look here, sodomite. Let me tell you this sodomite. This is personal now. Sodomite. Hello, line one. Are you hearing me? Let me tell you this pussy. Let me tell you this dry pussy Tentic. Pussy not play with me. Me walk in with my wife as a killer. As a done, me walk in with me shorty. And in blood clot and like I married Camille again. Walk in at the club with my bumbo clot wife. Tell me now. As a killer, oh no know that. When you sit down a war with the girl, hand in hand, I come in a club, I must done wife that. Done bra 49 by couple back like you don't know so me get bigger. Then take me there in the blood clot club. Then call me name like a film party and me not even did book fee. But me I spend money I never just spend none. I say go. Let me tell you how we go. When me in my dog them party 10 tick or 10 kick you want in your seed. Hear what me I tell you?
Dark and bullet.
When you see my wife come out of the club, as a ticks, you wait till me walk across the road. As a ticks, you know. Not even as an artist. As a ticks. When you see me walk across the road, you draw down for my wife. Brother, you artist. Me not think a song you sing. We are draw, come we are draw down pan. You draw down pan my wife and tell her say, no, me name 10 tick, you know. Me sing roll deep. Friar look a blood clot girl. And I be tell her say you name 10 tick. And I you sing roll deep. You know what? As a killer me I tell you that. As a done. As a G, because what they for you'll have 35 people in Panino. And 9 and 12. So as I done. Me wonder where you draw down for a female woman for you see me walk past you with my woman. 10 kick, let me tell you this. When me walk across the road, you draw down for yo, me name 10 kick. Yo, me sing roll deep, you know. Brother, I want to roll you up underneath my car. And that me want to roll you up under and reverse it. Brother, as a killer, you think 4 corner there for it? You will get looking at your head corner foreign over man, girl, fam. You see me? This is the wrong place you come and look for people, girl, father. Brawling, you will get beat, boy. You see this is another Jamaica. Me don't know how you feel about phone girl them bird down there. As a yamed, you not gonna deal with them like that, you know. But as a wife, how you deal with that? You will get beaten.
Alright, my viewers, as subscribers, I that I don't do big up Prettidon, big up 30. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the content. You see me? Yes, man. Some people asking me how I'm not famous yet. And I said to them, because you haven't shared my shit. You haven't shared? I ain't not start yet. You see me? Yo, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, look out for my cold front song. I'll drop soon on the dance. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. I like to another vlog. I will do it over another boss now, brother. Mouth. Not another road out on me. Mouth. Where's my God? There, man, I vlog on the go now. I say, I give the people my shout out, sir. And the great G this, you know.
1 foot, you know?
Yeah, man.
Lion foot.
1 foot and a lion foot. Oh, alright. I don't know. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
This kid is having fun with the cold front dance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.